Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. I'm Victoryforu and welcome back to my channel. Happy bank holiday weekend. Obviously, as you can tell, this video is not coming out on the usual Sunday, but on a Monday because it's bank holiday Monday here in the UK. So we enjoyed a rest this weekend. We enjoyed a rest. I hope you have all had a restful, fun, joyful bank holiday weekend. And if you've been working this bank holiday weekend, I'm sorry. I am sorry. But in today's video, we are going to be doing an unboxing and a styling video. So I've received something that I got a bit of a discount on and I purchased from an amazing brand called Boutique Olii. I received some amazing frameless sunglasses, which is perfect because finally the sun is out. Finally, it decided to show its face at the end of May. Hopefully we have the sun until, you know, September, October. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? And hopefully I'll be rocking these shades as well. So it comes in this amazing white packaging with this the Boutique Olii sticker on top. And then when you open it up, you receive this very cool authentication card, which I think is really brilliant. And there's even an authenticity code. Additionally to that, you receive this lovely colored sunglasses pouch and this cloth because it's rimless, you know, fingerprints and all that jazz. It's gonna get on there. So this is exactly what we need. And now on to the main event. So this is the very super stylish pouch that the sunglasses come in. It feels like a kind of an off-white faux leather, which feels very, very cool. The craftsmanship on just this pouch alone already has me excited for the actual glasses. So let's put them on. I'm trying my best not to get no fingerprints on this because I wanna stay looking cute. So these right here, absolutely rimless, gold, like, handles? That's not what you call like these bits on sunglasses. The sticks, these things there, you know, they're like a gold shade. These are the Lail rimless sunglasses from Boutique Olii. Definitely go check it out. I will link these down in the description below, and additionally to that, I will link Boutique Olii down in the description. Also, make sure you go and check it out. It's a brand that a friend of mine owns, so you'll know, I'm gonna tell you about the good. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm Victoryforu. Hope that you'll be victorious every day. God bless. I'll see you very, very soon. Hope you have an enjoyable rest of your bank holiday weekend. And, you know, let's go and mash up this 4-day week. Let's go do it. Woo. See you all very soon.